Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shambhoo Sharan Gupta, faculty of BA JMC department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver lecture on the topic of case study method. First we will discuss about meaning of case study. So a case study is a vast study of a social unit of society which may be person, family, group, institution, community or event. A case study focuses attention on a single unit fully. The aim is to find out the influencing factors of a social unit and the relationship between these factors and a social unit. It is referred to an in-depth detailed study on individuals or a small group of individuals. Now we will know about definitions of case study method. So case study is a systematic inquiry into an event or a set of related events which aims to describe and explain the phenomenon of interest. It refers to collection and presentation of detailed information about a particular participant or small group, frequently including the accounts of subjects themselves. According to P.B. Young, a case study is a comprehensive study of social unit, be it a person, a group of persons, an institution, a community or a family. According to Goode and Hutt, it is a method of exploring and analyzing the life of a social unit. Now we will know types of case study. So case study is being different types. So number one, explanatory case study. This type of case study would be used if you were seeking to answer a question that sought to explain the presumed causal likes in real life invention that are too complex for the survey or experimental strategy. Second, exploratory case study. It is a type of case study that is used to explore those situations in which the intervention being evaluated has no clear single set or outcomes. Number 3, descriptive case study. These types of case study is used to describe an intervention or phenomenon and the real life context in which it occurred. Number 4, multiple case study. It enables the researcher to explore difference within and between cases. Number 5, intrinsic case study. The term intrinsic suggests that researchers who have a genuine interest in the case should use this approach when the intent is to better understand the case. It is not undertaken primarily because the case represents other cases or because it illustrates a particular trait or problem, but because in all its particularity and ordinaries the case itself is of interest. Number 6, instrumental case study. It is used to accomplish something other than understanding a particular situation. It provides insight into an issue or helps to refine a theory. Number 7, collective case study. It is similar in nature and description to multiple case studies. We will know about characteristics of case study. There are following characteristics given here. Number 1, the number of units to be studied in small. Number 2, it studied a social unit deploy and thoroughly. Number 3, it is qualitative as well as quantitative. Number 4, it covered sufficient wide cycle of time. Number 5, it had continually in nature. Stages in case study. Method of data collection. The techniques and processes of a case study method are given as following. Number 1, choice of a case or selection of a problem. Number 2, description of the events. Number 3, factors influencing study. Number 4, data processing. Number 5, data recording. Sources of data for case study. Number 1, personal documents like as diaries, memories, autobiographies, letters, etc. or researcher. Number 2, qualifications and interest of the researchers. Number 3, life history of the respondents. Number 4, motives and objectives of the study. So I hope you understand the topic of case study method. Thank you very much.